Hi, first have a look down into description on the link of my second channel. On that channel I do electronics stuff and projects. Have a look. Today I want to show what is inside this soldering iron. Unfortunately I burnt out this soldering iron because I forgot that it's for 12 volts and I put it directly onto 230 volts. So I want to finally throw it out, but I want to see what is inside, because one day when I was small, when I was young, I tried to build soldering iron and it worked, but I had problems to insulate the heating element from another from the other parts of the iron. So let's open it and hopefully we can learn from this product how it's done. This holds very well, very firmly this leading cord. Here is some kind of connectors which goes from the leading wire to the heating element. Is that this metal part was put into some machine which injected this plastic part onto it, and now it wants to go out. Ceramic part for good grip. No, I distracted it, as you can see. This is it. As you can see, this is important. This is, I think you call it mica. And the same material is put over this part. Let's have a closer look, because I think it's interesting. So here is this metal, let's say, tube, on which is put this mica insulation, and on it is resistivity wire. Oh, this seems to be aluminium. Yes, it is certainly. No, it isn't. So it is metal. For a copper. Yes, it is metal, but the soft one. I finally can throw it. Don't forget to have a look down into description on the link. Bye.